So for part 7, yeah, it's made up of 3 questions. You have to write some code. So imagine that a coin class is defined in which coin objects have the properties of an owner as a string and a year as an int. So it has 2 attributes, an owner and a year. The class has a constructor that allows you to create an instance by sending a name and year as arguments in that order. Write a Java statement that would use the coin class to create a coin object with the year 2019 that is owned by Alan Turing. A Java statement that would use the coin class to create a coin object. Okay. The same statement should also assign the variable Alan's coin to refer to the coin object being instantiated. Okay, so we have to create a new coin object called Alan's coin, instantiated with these values. So we can just do this. Coin, Alan's coin is equal to, so we need to call the constructor of the coin class. So it looks something like this, coin, and it takes in by sending in a name and a year as arguments in that order. So we first give the name, and then we give the year, which is 2019. And this is it. Create a new variable called Alan's coin, and to the constructor we pass the name Alan Turing and the year 2019. Here's a stub for a class called coin. Okay, write a mutator method for this class that would set the year of the coin object. So we want to create a setter to mutate the year of the object. So setters or mutators are always void methods, non-static. Starts with set, and then the name of the variable you want to mutate, and year as an integer. So we do this, and then I'm not sure how to write tabs, so I'll just use 4 spaces. And you can use this pointer, so you do this dot year is equal to year. And that's it. You can also change this to something else if you don't want to use this year pointer, so you just say year equals new year. Either answer or some variation on this is also fine. It's important that it's just void. It takes in a year and sets the old year to the new year. Write an accessor method for this class that would return the name of the owner of a coin object. So this is the getter method. Start with public. And we want to fetch the owner of the coin. So that's non-static again. It starts with get, then the name of what we want, owner. Accessors typically take no arguments, which is the case here. And then all we do is return the owner, and then close this. So that's it for that. And last question, write a constructor method for this class that would take a string to set the owner of a coin object and also take an int to set the year of the coin object. Okay, so that's simple. The constructor should be public, and it's always the name of the class. And then we want to take in an owner, and then we want to take in a new year. Those are arguments. And then here we want to set the owner and year to what we take in as arguments. So you can use this pointer again here. And then you do the same thing for the year. And that's it for this. So that's the solutions for the test. Please send us an email if you have any questions or if there's any discrepancies.